Hi, my name is Chintan and I'm the founder of a company called Saaras. We build the en route one-step ingress controller API gateway. It's an edge proxy ingress controller to secure your microservices. We are a regular Civo user.
Awesome. Thanks a lot for sharing. Can you also maybe share how you found out about Civo?
Yes, we were exhibiting at KubeCon in North America last October. We saw the Civo booth over there, and the folks there were very friendly. We had a very good chat, and they suggested to see if there were opportunities to explore and put our solution on the Civo marketplace. So that started a thread of conversations with Civo folks, very helpful folks, and here we are. There are a few use cases for us. When we talk to our customers and prospects, we need different solutions, different topologies, different packages that demonstrate the Saaras solution, right? The Saaras en route one-step capability. So what we've noticed is Civo is like blazing fast. To give you an example, when en route one-step is deployed, it takes less than a minute to program the external load balancer, right? Other platforms take longer. So it really helps when you can set up things faster, especially for your demo environments. So that is one use case. The other use case is when we build en route one step, some of our workloads or the things we do are CPU intensive. So that's the kind of clusters we end up creating. And again, it's kind of very useful when we do a pre-selection of what kind of clusters we want to create. So absolutely. So what keeps us coming back to Civo? It is very simple. The simplicity and the speed at which you can deploy cluster is amazing. So Civo does that piece really well, and that solves like 70-80% of our problems. I mean, we need a reliable cluster going in seconds, up and running. We get that at Civo. The other aspect is we rely heavily on automation. So we've seen the Civo CLI to be extremely flexible and useful. That really helps us. The third thing is we do some Terraform too to set up our demo environments. And Civo has a Terraform module, so that also comes in very handy. And one of the key things also has been the Civo community, which is sort of like 11-12K strong. So anytime we have a problem, right, we need help, we just turn to the community, and that's the fastest way to make progress. I think Civo pricing is extremely competitive. So far, what we have seen compared to other providers, I've seen Civo has a very competitive pricing. I was also looking at the 2021 Cloud Native Computing Foundation survey and found Civo was, like one of the providers which is making like inroads into the cluster providers, right? Like a managed Kubernetes cluster providers. And it basically shows the simplicity, the getting the pricing right, working with automation, all these things come together. So the pricing is great.